In this short video clip, we are going to learn how to use a junior hacksaw properly and safely to cut wood. To help us, we are going to use a bench hook and a mini clamp. As the name suggests, a bench hook is designed to hook over the edge of a table or a bench. Pushing and applying pressure to the block will keep the bench hook in place. Or for younger children, we can use one of these mini clamps to make sure that the bench hook doesn't move when they are sawing the wood. The miter block can be used to hold the wood firmly in place. We begin sawing by making a couple of back strokes with the saw to make a tiny groove where we want to cut the wood. We then cut the wood with full strokes going forwards and backwards using the whole blade of the saw. The cutting action should not be too vigorous or apply too much pressure, as this will cause the blade to warp and will result in a cut that is not straight and even. If the wood does not fit in the miter block, we cut the wood by pressing the wood against the outside of the miter block, and then again making a couple of small backward strokes to make a groove in the wood, and then cutting the wood with the full length of the saw blade. The miter block can also be used to make angled cuts of wood if we are making a miter joint corner. The saw is held using a pistol grip, with the index finger can be extended to help guide the sawing action. Most of the projects in primary design technology where we are working with wood require the children to create a wooden framework. In order to do this, they use a technique called the Jinks method. The Jinks method involves creating wooden framework corners using a plastic links frame as a guide. A small card triangle is smeared with PVA glue, which is then placed in the links corner. Then the two pieces of ready cut wood are placed within the links frame to create the corner, and they are secured together with a small dab of glue from a glue gun. This is then left for 20 minutes to set. This makes a perfect right-angled corner.